Hello guys, I hope you are good guys, and I am also good. And so guys, in this video I am going to tell you three website in this video, because I found this website very interesting. So that's why I thought that I should share this website to you guys. So that's why I am sharing this website. This website I got very much interested. That's why I'm sharing. Okay, so let's go into website. I'm opening Google Chrome. Okay, in Google Chrome, just write Earth, null, Earth Science null school. Okay, after that you just click on the first one. Yes. Okay guys, you can see here the wine movement in the whole earth. Okay, so I just want to tell you about this app, because when any cyclone or any hurricanes or any cyclone comes, you can trace the cyclone. Okay, like nowadays we are in August month. Okay, so nowadays southwest monsoon is entering into India. So this is coming southwest wind. Okay, means this is the wind which is coming from southwest. So that's why it is called southwest monsoon. So in this app, in this website, wind movement can be traced. Okay, so that's why I thought this app is this website is good to share with you guys. So that's why I am sharing this app. Like when any cyclone comes in future, you can watch cyclone here also. Okay, that's why I am recommending. Guys, just remember this app. When any cyclone, just like Tauktae cyclone or Amphan cyclone, if any cyclone comes in future, so just you can trace the cyclone. That's why I am telling about this app. Okay, so this app is for tracing a wind movement or tracing a cyclone. Okay, so this is the first website guys that I wanted to recommend you all. And my second website that I want to recommend is Solar System Scope. Solar System Scope. Okay, Solar System Scope. Your Solar System Scope, just click the first one guys. This app is to explore our universe. In this website, you can see our galaxy, our solar system. So that's why I thought this app should be recommended to you guys. So that's why I am recommending this app, so that you can get some information in this app. What is this app for? So I am recommending this app. Okay, it's taking time guys. Okay, I'm just yeah, this app is very helpful. Here there are so many information is given, like you can explore about planet Earth, Neptune, and you can explore a solar system. You can even explore the stars as well. It's 27%. It's taking time, guys. Just wait. I think my my internet is slow. I think that's why it's. But uh, you can increase the uh, speed of video. But I am recording, so I cannot. I cannot go beyond this. Okay, just let's wait, guys. It's opening. This app is very interesting. If you want to explore about galaxy, about stars, about planet, solar system, it's very interesting app. Is 60%. Okay, hello guys. I think downloading additional content. I think our website is opening, guys. Yeah, it's loading. So now, guys, just keep watching. Uh, we will be exploring our solar system, our sky, our universe, our galaxy. Yeah, it's starting. Yeah, nice. Okay, guys, can you see, guys, here? This is Earth, this is Venus, this is Mercury, and this is Mars. And we can zoom out here also. You can say, this is the solar system. We can also come out of solar system. We can zoom out till our galaxy. Yeah, guys, are you watching here? This is our galaxy, guys. It's Milky Way, you know, and here is sun. It's very big. Yeah, sun. Yeah, here is. Yes, very. If we go very means we have to zoom in. Yeah. It's sun, you know, and this is. Yeah, so what I'm saying, this is sun, we just go. Yeah, this is sun, this is Mercury, this is Venus, this is Earth. Guys, if I play this video, it start rounding. Okay, I'm just yeah, guys, can you see how solar system works? Here, guys, here you can see, guys, how they round, like sun is round, earth is round, and Mercury is rounding around sun, and Venus is surrounding. So in this way, you can see our solar system. And guys, here there are so many asteroids are there between Mars and uh, yeah. Yeah, so what I'm saying, here Mars and here is Jupiter. So in Mars and Jupiter, means in between Mars and Jupiter there are so many asteroid are also rounding, and you know this asteroid, you can say it's asteroid belt. Sometimes it also comes in the atmosphere of Earth. So it is also, I think, a good app, means interesting app I found. And if you click Earth here, you can explore about Earth here. Oh, it's not. I have to stop. Okay. Suppose if you want to explore about Earth, then you can also read about Earth. You have. It's not happening. Yeah, here you can also explore about Earth. Okay, so guys, this is one thing that I have suggested you. There are so many other things also. You know, after exploring solar system, you can also explore night sky. You know, night sky. In night sky, you can explore about stars, like in north. Suppose suppose if you want to know the name of any stars, or suppose any stars goes in which direction according to date, then you can also play this button, and if you speed, you can say in which date the the position of star will be here in which date. So you can explore this thing as well in this website. There are other things also to explore, but like star explorer, near stars, messiah object. So likewise there are other things also you can explore. So this was the second app, guys, that I have recommended you. And the third thing, I am going to recommend the website. It's not like a website, it's I'm just telling the simple feature of this three square button, you know. So in the third component of our recording is, I'm just going to tell about this three square button. If you click here, you can find so many Google apps. Okay, like Google Earth, Google Docs. I just wanted to tell about this Google apps. Okay, and I'm just if you click on any app like Google Maps. Okay, so in this website, means uh, you can go from that three square button. Means you can open any web application from that Google Apps. Okay, so I'm just doing satellite mode. Yeah. So guys, if you keep zooming out, then you will find our Earth. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I just wanted to tell you, like here, uh, nowadays it now this part is lighter. Okay, so it means there is daytime here. Okay, it is North America. So in 10:14 p.m. It's daytime in North America. But if you explore about India, India is uh, India is somewhere here. You know, India here. This is India, guys. So now you can say India is in darker situation. So you can say in 10:14 p.m. It's night in India. But if you go here, some Eastern Africa, it's day here. And also here, guys, you can explore about different planet. Like if you want to explore about Moon or Mars, so I'm just exploring about Moon. Okay, so this is Moon, guys. Okay, okay. Yeah, you can see also moon guys here. You know guys, when I was very little children, so that time some villager used to call me the darker the darker shape in the moon that are rabbit. They the villagers used to call me in 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 moon that darker shape is a rabbit. But you know, when you zoom it, it's land, it's not a rabbit. You can zoom in, and you can see the land of moon. So it's not any rabbit or something, it's just dark land. Okay, it's dust particle. This is the moon guys. Suppose if you want to explore another Earths like Mars. So this is the Mars, the red planet. You can, and suppose if you want to explore our International Space Station, you can also here explore about our space station guys. Yeah, this is our space station. You can go, yeah, here you can go there. You can also explore inside the International Space Station by yeah, here is, yeah, this is our oh, okay, just leave it guys. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, so guys, I think these are the three websites that I have recommended you. I hope you have got interested in this app. So guys, if you guys got interested in this app, so for giving this information, just subscribe my channel and give a like, so that I can make a video like this in future. So thank you guys for this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.